Once upon a time, in a sunny green field, lived Mama Goat and her tiny little goat. Little Goat was bouncy and full of giggles. But, oh, he was very naughty. Every day, he would run up to Mama Goat and bump her on the head. Bop! Bop! He'd go then laugh with a big ha ha ha. Mama Goat would rub her head and say, "Oochie! That hurts, my sweetie. Please don't bump me." There are bigger animals out there, and if you bump them, they might bump you back harder. It will hurt. But Little Goat didn't listen. He just wiggled his tail and bounced away, thinking, "I am the fastest bumper. No one can catch me." One day, Little Goat trotted to a shiny blue lake. The water was so clear, it looked like a mirror. When he peeked in, he saw another goat looking back at him. "Who's this?" he thought. "I'll bump you." So he ran forward with a big bob, but splash! There was no goat, only water. Little Goat fell right into the lake with a loud curse sploosh. "Oh no! Help! Help!" cried Little Goat, splashing and kicking with his tiny legs. He was so scared. The water was cold, and he didn't know how to swim well. Mama Goat heard his cries. She ran as fast as she could. Clip, clop, over the grass. She saw Little Goat in the lake and quickly pulled him out with her strong horns. She gave him a big, warm hug. "Are you okay, my little one?" she asked, drying him with her soft fur. Little Goat sniffled and said, "I am sorry, Mama. I bumped the water goat, but it wasn't real. I fell in and got so scared." Mama Goat smiled gently and said, "See, my sweetie, you must listen to me. I tell you things to keep you safe. If you are naughty and bump others, you might get into big trouble. Will you be kind now?" Little Goat nodded with big, shiny eyes. "Yes, Mama. No more bumping. I'll be a good goat." From that day on, Little Goat stopped being naughty. He played nicely, shared yummy grass with his friends, and always listened to Mama Goat. And guess what? He was the happiest little goat in the whole wide field.